Welcome to the world of screen recording and audio capture with Wondershare Recorder. Are you looking for a versatile tool to capture any area of your PC screen? We'll walk you through everything you need to know about this powerful software, so let's get started. Go to your preferred web browser and search for Wondershare Recorder on Google. Look for the first search result and click on it. This link should take you to the official website or a trusted source where you can download the software. Once you're on the website, scroll down to find more information about the software. Read the features. As you mentioned, you'll see features like capture any area of the PC screen and webcam, record audio from both the microphone and system, record gameplay, tutorials, and YouTube videos, and edit recordings with built-in tools and effects. Make sure these features align with what you need from the software. All right, if you are satisfied with the features and information provided, look for a Try for Free or Download button and click on it. After clicking the Try for Free button, you may need to wait for the download process to start. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the download. It seems there might be a setup video. You can watch this video to help you with the installation process. If there's a comment section or user reviews, you can also check for tips or feedback from others who have downloaded the software. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.